Imagine if your smartphone had a completely transparent design where you could see every circuit and component inside. How would that make you feel? Or have you ever found yourself mesmerized by the intricate gears of a dismantled watch, thinking, wow, that's incredible? In 2009, Apple's MacBook Unibody campaign was a huge success. They visually demonstrated the manufacturing process, showing consumers how a laptop could be crafted from a single block of aluminum. Why does showing the inside of a product have such a strong impact? We are unconsciously drawn to the insides of products. The reason behind this lies deep within our cognitive biases and psychological processes. Today, we're going to uncover the secret of why showing a product's inner workings can significantly increase its perceived value. All based on a fascinating new study from 2025. We're looking at a recent study published in the Journal of Marketing in 2025. The research team set out to investigate how visually representing a product's internal structure affects consumer perception and purchase intent. The findings were surprising. They discovered that this "see inside" technique alone resulted in a click-through rate increase of about 1.7 times, enhanced product trustworthiness, an increase in the amount consumers were willing to pay. The key to this effect is a psychological process called mental assembly simulation. When a product's internal structure is presented in a layered, deconstructed way, our brains automatically begin to imagine the process of those parts coming together. It's like we're building with Lego blocks in our heads. This psychological process works in 3 steps. Visual recognition, seeing the individual, disassembled components. Mental assembly, unconsciously simulating the process of them being put together. Increased trust, a sense of certainty that this product is well built, is formed. The most interesting part is that this is not a conscious effort. We naturally start to understand how the product is constructed, which, in turn, boosts our confidence in it. When the parts are laid out in an orderly, layered sequence, our brains naturally perform this mental assembly. We're essentially rebuilding the product in our minds, giving us an aha moment. So that's how this product is made. This brain that loves to build creates the illusion that we understand the product's mechanics, which leads us to believe that this product must have good performance. However, this effect has its limits. First, it can backfire for people with high levels of technological anxiety. For them, a complex internal structure can increase their anxiety, making the technique counterproductive. Second, the purpose of the purchase matters. It's effective for purchases where functionality is key, but the effect diminishes when the main goal is aesthetic value. Like looking for a stylish speaker to match your interior design. What's more, simply showing the insides isn't enough. The parts must be arranged in the order in which they would be assembled. Disorganized parts make the mental assembly simulation much less likely to occur. This insight is valuable for both consumers and marketers. As consumers, understanding why we're drawn to certain ads helps us make smarter purchasing decisions. For marketers, it's a new way to communicate product trustworthiness, and it can be highly effective in ad design for tech products, instruction manuals for assembly-required furniture, presentations for complex machinery. The anatomical depiction of a product isn't just a design choice. It's a scientific method that cleverly leverages our cognitive processes. This anatomical depiction is already being used as a marketing strategy by many companies. For example, transparent wireless earbuds, gaming consoles, and smart speakers are intentionally designed to show their internal components, appealing to a sense of high-tech craftsmanship and standing out from competitors. Companies like Apple have also emphasized their innovative technology by using visual breakdowns of parts in their product launches. We tend to place a higher value on products that show meticulous attention to detail, not just on the outside, but on the inside as well. Next time you see a beautifully deconstructed product ad, remember what's happening in your brain. It might just make the world of marketing a lot more interesting. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more fascinating research on consumer psychology, so stay tuned.